This is my 97 BMW E36 that I bought off Facebook Marketplace for $800. It was a pretty good deal except for one thing. It came with a weak 113 horsepower engine that hardly pushed itself around. That's why in my last video I asked you to guess what engine I'm going to put in this thing. And today I'm going to reveal what could either be the greatest or worst idea I've ever had so far. I present the Ford Barra. This inline-6 monster from Australia is known for its insane power potential. Stock, it's pushing 250 horsepower and about 390 newton meters of torque, but with just a few upgrades it can easily hit 600 to 800 horsepower. The Barra is built tough, built to handle big boost, and with its cast iron build and the dock setup, this engine is going to take this build to the next level. I can't wait to see how it performs.
Really good. It's the best. Love it.
But unfortunately, I haven't got an engine stand. So today, that's what we're gonna make.
When it's done, it's going in there.
It's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it?
Alright, check this out. So, that's the vertical. There's the framework. Now I've got this vertical, which is the vertical's like 2.5, 3 mil thick, and everything else is more sitting around the 2 mil thick. I haven't welded for a while, but I mean, I can be pretty happy with them. They look alright. I think, like, if anything, that one there might be like the worst weld on it. So I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. So now what we got to do is clamp these on and drill through both sides. Then that's kind of like a bolt on, so it means I can pack it away and save on space. Smart person would have gone like a bolt on there and then make this bit separate to this, but I want a lot of strength in this part and I want to just be able to put like a little triangle, and that should be able to hold my engine, which I think from memory is like 260 kilos or something like that. So I kind of want like a little bit more heavy duty version. Let's see how it goes. Got the triangles cut and moderately cleaned. They'll just sit like that, and these little ones will just go in here. I couldn't be bothered cutting to skip the weld, so I ended up just programming it into the table and making it look like it was supposed to look like that. So that will be there, and then there'll be one exactly the same on the other side. Let's tack them in. Alright, it's all tacked in. Now weld it. It's all welded up. This is definitely probably not the nicest welding I've done this time. Yeah, I don't know. I'll get one. This one's in the light. That will be easier to see. I don't know, not as good. Yeah. not as good, but whatever. This is more the strength, not the weld. So if they can sit in there, oh, I missed that part. Whatever, it's welded on the other side. That'll be fine. Skip forward a little bit. So now got all the triangles. We even have a locking pin, so you can pull it out, rotate it, lock it in. So now I feel like there's surely enough strength needed. I also did the undersides of there and there, so should be strong enough now, hopefully. Even though I still need to cut off that triangle, or the end of it. Then let's try and put the motor in. Alright, I got the plate on. Bolts all done up, nice and tight. Now it's time to line him up to here. Start putting the weight on. I reckon that's pretty good. I did this last night before I left, but honestly I did it a lot rougher last night. And I think a final test would be, so this is itself, the motor is 240 kilos. I myself are 70, so in theory, how am I gonna, in theory, if I just, yep, I don't know if that looked a little strange, but can obviously carry another 70 kilos. After that, that's pretty much it. Like, at least if anything, I haven't really painted. I haven't painted the back side of this. I've only lightly put a coat on because I want to do some work. I might like cut out a shape or something like that. At least the stage that I'm at the moment, don't really want to do much more work on it in case it does fail or something like that. So at least at the moment, this is the barra. It's soon gonna be in the BMW, and this is the cage I made to hold it and move it around. As you expect with the motor this big, it is still a little bit to maneuver, a little bit to
beige. I love beige.